Hey everybody, welcome back to Scentscape, and today I have for you from the house of Lattafa. This is Suqraat. Now, I've seen these at my local Burlington before, but I've never seen the travel set. So look at this, it's a 12-piece travel set, and this thing literally weighs like 5 pounds. So when I saw this, I was like, I didn't know what it was, and guess what? It is only $6.99. So guys, I have no clue what's inside of here. It is pretty heavy. It is a pretty decent sized box. So guys, I'm gonna rip this open and I'm gonna do a tabletop review, and let's go through this and see what's inside of it.
Yeah. Welcome to the Scentscape, where the no don't lie. Yeah. Step into the Scentscape, breathe game in the air. From the cheapies on the shelf to that niche rare flair. No cap, no hype, just facts when I spray. If it's fire, I say it. If it's trash, same way. Top notes hitting first like a punch in the face. Mid notes tell the story, base leave a trace. Longevity check, projection on blast. Is it worth your cash or gone too fast? Designer dreams or that budget flex. I break it all down so you don't second guess. One spray, one wear, one honest review. If you're smelling good, yeah, that's the mission too. Welcome to the Scentscape. Let the truth unfold. From $10 bangers to that luxury gold. Unbiased nose, yeah, I give you the code. But if it's worth the buy, you gon' know before you go. Scentscape, where the real reviews say no pay, hype, just spray and play. From cheap to elite, every cent gets weighed. This the Scentscape life. Let it marinate. Clones going crazy, originals too. Side by side battles, I compare them for you. They night vibes or that office safe. Winter beast mode or summer heat wave. Compliments matter, but wear it for you. Confidence drip when the scent come through. I don't chase brands, I chase high smells. No first decisions, I don't follow the bells. From fresh and clean to dark and loud, I cut through the noise, stand out the crowd. No gatekeeping sense, I put y'all on so you smell like money even when it's gone. Welcome to the Scentscape. Let the truth unfold. From $10 bangers to that luxury gold. Unbiased nose, yeah, I give you the code. If it's worth the buy, you gon' know before you go. Scentscape, where the real reviews stay. No pay, hype, just spray and play. From cheap to elite, every cent gets weighed. This the Scentscape life. Let it marinate. Spray routine, nose train facts only. If the scent ain't hitting, I won't phone it. Collect, test, wear it in the real world. Not just first impressions, this is romance swirl. Hit subscribe, tap in, elevate your game. One bottle at a time, remember the name. From the show to the skin, I keep it landscape. Welcome to the culture. Scentscape. Scentscape. Scentscape.
Alright, so we are going to unbox the travel set. So let's go ahead and see what it is in there. Oh, before I start off, guess what I also found? So if you've never seen this one before, tomorrow I'll be releasing that video, so make sure you watch this one too. So alright, so let's go ahead and hot knife and open this one up. Let's see. Alright. Okay. Put this away. Alright, so said paid $6.99 for it. Pull the sleeve off. Alright, so this side is right here, and it opens in the back right here, so it has a slide, and there is a bunch of these. What is that? So pretty much what you get in there is, so I guess there is 12 of these travel sprays that come into here. So it is 4 ounce. So let's see. Yeah, they're 4 ounce. So 12 of them, and get about, oh, pretty good amount. Oh, nice. So it comes with 12 of these. This is actually a pretty good. Let's close this real quick and see. They're all the same thing. Yeah, all the same thing. So this is actually a very, very good price for this. So you get, so for this you get 12 of these bad boys for $6.99. So, oh, it's pretty nice too. So let's go ahead and see. Oh wow, it's pretty full too. So this is 0.4 ounce. So 12 ml. So altogether, you're getting about what? I should be able to count it. 100 and about like almost 140 mLs. So good amount for that. So let me go ahead and get a test strip right here. Spray it. Okay. Yeah. Definitely smells like Aqua di Joe Parfum. Exactly what it's mimicking. So yeah guys, this is actually very good. So what I can do is, I don't think I need all 12, so I'll probably be gifting the other 11, or probably 10 of them. I'll probably keep 2 for myself and gift the other 10. So yeah guys, so if you do see this is actually a very, very good value for the price. So you get 12 of these for $6.99. So I'm thinking they pretty much didn't know what was inside of it. It does say 12 travel sprays, so I guess it does tell you in the box what it was. So guys, well, thank you very much for watching the video. If you could please do me a favor, if you could subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys.